Brad Williams, XL Prime. This is just a quick reminder that when we're messing around with COUNTIF, we sometimes want a number as an output, and sometimes we want true or false. Here's a list of something random. Keep in mind, COUNTIF is not case sensitive. We have an F9, and we have a name range animal 894. Not significant. And we have COUNTIF. We have animal 894 greater than 0. What we're asking here is, do you want a true or false, or do you want an outcome? Well, if you want true or false, you just put greater than 0. If you want the outcome, well, you omit the greater than 0. The outcome is greater than 0. In other words, are there any pigs in our count? You're going to see, well, yeah. Here, if we get just 1, it's true. Greater than 0. If you want to make it greater than, here, do we have more than 1 pig? Our outcome is 0. So look here and no. If you want a greater than 2, and so on and so forth. Keep in mind, there's a lot of flexibility in various tools in Excel. I just wanted to bring this to light because sometimes we're just so focused on an outcome, we can define this and incorporate it as we have in so many other examples. Sometimes just overlook this part of it, focus strictly on the COUNTIFs. Keep that in mind, this is COUNTIFs. Remember, it's multiple criteria with COUNTIFs, but we can still use COUNTIF and do the same thing. Why? Because we're working with a single criteria. Here, for example, we can do this, COUNTIF, and same here. We can just go COUNTIF, COUNTIF, or COUNTIFs. And if we had multiple criteria, you could see where this might come into play. Brad Williams, XL Prime.